Morning everyone, John from Popeyes Postcards. Today, a little bit of different video. Heading back to my other antique mall. I'm only in one now. I don't say no, I'm saying other. I moved out of the one yesterday. And what I have to do is reprice or put my booth number on probably 15 to 20,000 postcards. I already have that done on like 15 to 20,000. Sorry about the beep. Still haven't found that smoke detector. And then once I get all the booth number changed, then I drop them off at at the other antique mall I'm in. All of these have already been rebranded, I guess you could call it. And I'm just now currently taking stuff out of my truck and putting it on this rack for storage until I can reprice those ones. And when I say reprice, it's really just not even repricing. It's just putting my booth number. These were already done. But besides the 04, I had 000 on some of my cards. So I had to go through and cross out the 000 and put in 04. And it's just kind of a pain in the ass to do, but it needs done. So these are what came out of my other mall. It's like, I don't know, 20 boxes or so. So I have to go back through and add 04 to all of those. Okay, we're at my booth. This is what I hate about vending in an antique mall. They just throw them wherever the F they want to. They just don't clean up after themselves. So the plan is, this table's gone, moving that table over here. So here's the new setup. Brought that table over here, got rid of the small one. Added another place for them to sit, and then more postcards. There'll be another one of these shelves over there, and then 3 more eventually, and hope to have 120,000 cards in here. As it stands right now, I have 70 boxes in here, excluding the stereo views. So times that by 600 each. It's like 42,000 cards, something like that. Okay. Oh, let's look at, I've not looked at this yet. That's not very good for 2 weeks. Yeah, not very good at all. So hopefully 20,000 more cards will help. So there you go, just a really quick video showing you how I've rearranged my antique booth. I have about 42,000 cards in there now, and by going vertical, I have room for at least 70,000 more, which I'll be working on over the next couple months. Got a lot of little pans in the fire. Just got to work them out, do one thing at a time. And you saw the printout there. I only did $134 for 12 days, right before Christmas and right after Christmas. So I'm hoping that by bringing in another 15 to 17,000 cards today, that'll hopefully bring in some more customers and some more sales. And if they don't work here, you know, it's an experiment. I've only been here for 3 months. If the sales just start dwindling down, I'll just keep adding more stock. And if they keep going down, then it's probably time to move the cards out and try them in a tube auctions, stuff like that. They're already sorted. That'd be easy. Just do lots of 100 California, Christmas, blah, 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 whatever. So, okay, enough of me rambling. I got to head home and start listing because I haven't listed anything in probably at least 3 weeks. So I got to get listing. Talk to you later. Bye.